Hey everybody, this is Andre with San Diego Sound System Installs. Now we're in the mix as usual. We are redoing the whole sound system in the Sheraton 4 Points Hotel. Big job. Yes. Ballroom, side rooms, back, front, the whole hotel. So anyhow, I'm gonna take you and show you a little bit what we do. I got all my guys on the scene, so let's check it out. We are going this way. San Diego Sound System Installs on the move, ladies and gentlemen. So look, on our left we have 4 individual rooms that we're putting a sound system in. We're actually redoing the sound system, taking the old one that's ancient with problems and putting new one in. So let's go in this room first. What we got going on here, ladies and gentlemen, is my man Ryan, my main man Ryan, in the mix. What's up, Ryan? Say hello.
All right.
Here you go. So check out what my man Ryan's doing. He's really hooking it up right here. And we're redoing these 4 rooms. That's 1 controller. Each room got a partition that goes across, and we have the 2nd controller. Real technical stuff, huh? You ain't seen nothing yet. Then we had a 3rd controller. And our last controller for the last room. Ladies and gentlemen, I assure you, none of them were working before we got here. So the Sheraton called us and we came over here and made it happen. Not only that, we are going to another room, the ballroom. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, the ballroom, and we got my man Willie Gardner in the mix. Willie, everybody wants to see your face, man. They want to see your lovely picture.
How you doing? San Diego, around the world.
All right, tell everybody what you're doing, man.
Right now, we're hooking up a sound installation for this 4 Point Marriott Hotel.
Sheraton
Hotel. We do installations in homes, churches, wherever you need us.
All right, say it again. We're hooking up sound system for Sheraton. I'll edit it.
We're hooking up sound system for Sheraton, live and in action, worldwide, baby. Check us out.
All right, so we're in the ballroom, and my man Willie is in the mix. He's wiring the whole ballroom with sound system. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put, actually this ballroom partitions right here in the middle. So we're going to do a 4-speaker control system here on this side of the ballroom. 1 speaker there, 1 speaker corner, 1 speaker corner, and 1 speaker there. And then where the partition goes, we're going to do another 4-speaker system right here. 1 there, 1 here, 1 there, 1 there. And on top of all of this, ladies and gentlemen, when we're finished with the sound, we are redoing the lighting. LED, DMX lighting. So that's another story. As we go into here, this is going to be the control room for the amplifiers. Right there, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to redo this amp rack. These are all bad speakers that we took down, not working. And catch you on the flip side when we finish.